So here we have a code. As you can see, we are defining two variables, and now we are swapping these two variables, and after that we are printing those two variables. So instead of this, if we write something like this, as you can see, we are adding some explanations for each of these parts. So we are adding some explanation for each of these sections, and this is exactly one of the benefits of adding comments. These are comments, and how we are going to add them: by adding a hash symbol in the beginning of the line. And after that, you can see we can type whatever we want to type, and that is going to become a comment. And remember that these comments are not going to be executed by Python. So Python is not going to execute comments. No matter what you type here, Python is not going to execute comments. Another use case of comment is that you can disable a piece of code. For example, here in this section, we are swapping the values. So if I comment this part, actually, I'm disabling this section of the code. And actually, I'm not going to swap the values. So if I run the code, you can see X and Y is 5 and 10, which is their original value. And now maybe you ask, is there any shortcut, keyboard shortcut for commenting a line or a piece of code? Yes. For example, if I want to comment this line, I can highlight this line, and after that on PyCharm, I press Control/ on my keyboard, and as you can see, I've commented this line. And if I want to uncomment this line, once again, I highlight this line and I press Control/. And by the way, if I put my cursor here, I'm in this line, and if I press Control/, as you can see, it is going to comment this line. I don't need to necessarily highlight the whole line. And also, if I put my cursor here and if I press Control/, and as you can see, it has uncommented this line. And if I want to comment multiple lines, that's very easy. I can, for example, select these two lines, and I deliberately didn't select all of them. As you can see, I'm selecting a part of this line and also a part of this line. And after that, if I press Control/ on my keyboard, as you can see, PyCharm has converted these two lines into a comment. But now maybe you say, okay, I have seen that some people, for example, do this. They open 3 double quotations and they close those 3 double quotations, and between these quotations, these double quotations, they, for example, they can have a multi-line comment, a multi-line comment. But as a matter of fact, this is not a comment. This is a string. This is a multi-line string. So although this is not a multi-line comment, this is a string, but because you're not storing this into a variable and you're not using this string, yes, you can see that some people use this in order to have a multi-line comment and in order to, for example, add some comments and explanation between these double quotations. And by the way, instead of double quotations, you can use 3 single quotations and close those 3 single quotations, and you can type whatever you want to type between these quotations. But actually in Python, we don't have multi-line comment. If you want to comment all of these things, the manual way is to go to each of these lines and put a hash symbol in the beginning of the line. But the simplest method is to highlight that and press Control/, for example, on PyCharm, in order to do so. This was one of the videos of a step-by-step tutorial playlist of Python. You can find a link to that playlist in the description below. And also we have other playlists for other topics, which you can find them on the channel page.